Hi there, thanks for coming back to the channel. The title for today's video is how to avoid making videos that no one wants to watch. Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Hi there. Today's topic, before I get into today's topic, if you haven't subscribed already, today's topic, how to avoid making videos that no one watches. If you're a new YouTuber or you have a few subscribers and you're trying to grow your channel, it's not easy. I've been there. I'm not that far ahead of you. I'm approaching 8,000 subscribers, which I'm very happy with, but I know the struggles and the trials and tribulations of being a small YouTuber. So in this video, I want to talk to you about the method that I use to avoid making videos that nobody wants to watch. One of the key contributors to the amount of views that you get for any video is YouTube search. So if people are looking for your video or they're looking for a specific problem and they're looking for the solution to a specific problem, they might find your video as one of the results. This is a good way for people without a brand name on YouTube to build up views for their videos. So if you make videos that answer people's questions, problems that they're looking for, you're going to get views, even if they haven't heard of you. Brilliant. So how do you answer questions that people are looking for? How do you know that your video is going to be something that's searched for? The method that I've used and I've discovered is by, first of all, finding a tool and using a tool called TubeBuddy. So I'm already a pro member of TubeBuddy, and you can see on the screen here, this is an indication that I use TubeBuddy and I've installed the Chrome extension. If you're new to YouTube and you haven't heard of TubeBuddy and you need to get started with getting more views on your videos, install TubeBuddy. I'm going to show you how to do that. First of all, let's go to an incognito screen because I'm already signed in, so I can't really sign in again. So let's just change view. Okay, here's an incognito screen. I could sign in, but I'm already signed in, as you saw in the earlier part of the video. If you're not signed in, you can install the Chrome extension here just by clicking here, install for free now. And this is going to really help you collate and interpret data relating to your YouTube channel and to possible competitors, and will also give you an indication of how to find the right sort of titles for your forthcoming videos if you want to obviously generate views by search. So you need to click here and install. I'm not going to do that because I'm already signed in to Google and I've already installed TubeBuddy. But if you hadn't, then this is what you do. And if you ever were to change your mind, you could just easily remove it from Chrome. So, but click here to install. Let's go back to my logged in Google account. Bear with me. Let's come out of here. Okay, so I've installed now. I've installed and I'm using TubeBuddy. How does it help you avoid making videos that nobody wants to watch? Simply by doing this. So you can now search. I'm going to search for a title. Well, there's the one that I've already, here's one that I was researching earlier. How to get, as you know, if you're a regular viewer of this channel, I make videos about LinkedIn, YouTube and Twitter for B2B business people to help them master those platforms and get more return on investment for their companies. Let's click on this one. So this is how to get 5,000 connections on LinkedIn. This was a possible video idea for me I could have made for my channel, but you can see this now. I'm getting search results. These search results are because I'm a pro member of TubeBuddy. If you're a free member, and I've just shown you where you can install TubeBuddy for free. If you're a free member of TubeBuddy, you can still do these searches, and the search results for this title, how to get 5,000 connections on LinkedIn, says 36 out of 100, which is pretty low. So for me, 36 out of 100 is not enough to make the video. It's showing me that there's not enough search volume to justify me making that video. If I were to make that video, I'm not going to get a massive amount of views or interest. And overall, that's only rated as fair. So I'm not going to make a video that's fair, because to make a video there can be a lot of editing, there can be a lot of time in the recording stage as well, and the planning. And if it only scores 36 out of 100 by TubeBuddy's factoring and by TubeBuddy's assessment, I'm not going to make that video. I prefer to make videos that have at least a score of 50, ideally 60 and above. And if you hit the sweet spot and get 80 and above, that's a video you should just, you know, make on the spot. So this is the part of my workflow. I will, as you can see from other titles, I will put in a title, and if TubeBuddy says, nah, it's not great, and it gives me a fair score, I'm not going to make the video. Other people, you can see, have made this sort of video, and irrespective of their number of views, you know, that's up to them. These people have made videos about LinkedIn, but there's not a direct match for that title, how to get 5,000 connections on LinkedIn. So you can see there's no direct match. TubeBuddy's assessment is correct, and it's not a great subject matter. So I will take that advice. TubeBuddy assesses all the data, obviously, in collating this, and I won't make that video. I'll make another video with a much higher score. So that is a simple way of how to avoid making a video that no one wants to watch. If you know already, after doing a TubeBuddy search, that there's a lot of search volume for your intended video, then you can make it with confidence, knowing that people are going to, as long as you attach the appropriate tags and so on, and TubeBuddy can help you with that, and I'll make another video about that. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm just going to keep it quite short and focused on the ability to avoid making videos that no one wants to watch, just by downloading and installing the free version of TubeBuddy, and then typing in your search, looking at the data, looking at the response, and saying, no, this is not strong enough as a video concept for me to make, because there won't be enough people watching it. So that's how you do it with TubeBuddy. You can click on the link in the description to install TubeBuddy. As I say, there's a free version. There are also pro versions and other tiers above that. But start off, if you're new to this, start off with the free version, install that, see how you like it, and then when you see the additional features you can get from pro version, you might want to trade up. But I started off with the free version, that my videos started to receive because they were videos that people wanted were searching for, and therefore wanted to watch them, rather than just hoping that you're making something that's relevant for your audience. Use TubeBuddy, take out the guesswork, and be more scientific in your approach, and you'll get more success on YouTube. Thanks for watching this short video. It was focused on this one idea of avoiding making videos that nobody watches, because no one really wants to be in that position where you're making videos and no one's watching. I hope you've liked this video. If you have, give me a like. Click on one or two screenshots to watch another video. If you've not subscribed already, thanks for watching. I look forward to speaking to you next time. Bye bye.